So how do you change the iPhone's writing style? Let's explain it from multiple different angles. Let's get started. Now, if you are like typing in your notes and you have like something that you want to type in, well, obviously you can go ahead and change the style and format the text a little bit because you'll be able to either select the word and go to the format section, or in the newer versions of the iOS, you already have it at the bottom, like above the keyboard, all of the tools and like the bold tool, strike through, and all of the other options which change the style of your writing on the iPhone. In some different note-taking apps like Notion, for example, you have so many other ways how you can format your text, like different heading styles and sizes and all of the other things which you can play with, right? So even some third-party apps might have it better. But if you are referring to just the general text and font on the iPhone, well, you can make some changes to it when you go to the settings and then check out your display and a text size, where you can change the text to make it bolder or adjust the size. Right, you can also change or play around with the display zoom, where everything just looks slightly bigger. But if you want to just change the font, like the style of text throughout the entire iPhone, well, this is not possible. Like, as you know, iOS, the iPhone's operating system, is limited in that sense. It's not an Android where you can install some random fonts, right? So it doesn't really work that way in here. So right now, I believe that I've showed you all of the things which I wanted. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have some other questions, leave them below. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.